How to make an object move. I have 5 materials here. Sofa, feather, paper boat, basin with the water, electric fan, magnet, and nail. Sofa. Sofa moves because of people, force of pushing it. Feather moves because of the wind. Paper boat and basin with the water. Paper boat moves because of the water. Let's see. Now it's moving. Electric fan moves because of the electricity. Now it's moving. A nail. Nail moves because of the magnet when putting it near the nail. See? It's moving. That's how to make an object move. Thank you for watching.